So what y'all doing? Very good, girl. Record me, somebody. Hi. Hey, y'all. It's nice. Oh, you look so cute. Say something. Come on, girl. You know, I got my, you know, I'm 85. Who say something? Let's go with that. We need some more fries. Oh, I'm gonna eat. Okay, how you stopping them? Say something. Okay, turn it off.
Hey, yo, check it. This time is when we in Timberwolf Lake, where it's great. We eat good cake. Cheeseburgers.
It's better than a cake.
Cause it's better than a cake. Oh, put your camera back on me, cause I wasn't done, homie.
That's Thomas. He's a geek. Freak. He tried to freak me.
As I was saying earlier, I would go to sleep, go to bed, and get my sleep on, and I wake up, eat some breakfast herb.
You can't rap.
You say I can't rap, just listen to me. I get down, like I'm going down a tubie. I spit, like I got a loogie. I rap, like I'm in a movie.
Okay, stop. Hi, hey, wait to the camera. Why you ain't dressed like the 80s?
I don't do that.
What you mean the 50s?
I don't have no clothes like that. Not at all. Hey.
Say hi! Woo! Hey, what's up?
Hey, yo, get back at me. They call me Little Scrappy. I'm always happy. My rhymes ain't crabby. You keep talking, you gonna be walking. I'm just
Keep talking, you're gonna be dead.
She wanna rap battle. I smack her with a bat or a pickle.
Y'all looking real pretty.
I had the most amazing voice opportunity.
What up?
Wait,
Hey, what about me over here? I'm like,
right on, Bob.
in the world listen.